Use the right lane to take exit 61, then slight right onto the I-696 West ramp. Slight right onto the I-696 West ramp. Continue on I-696 West for 13 miles.
Alright, on 696 West, you can see 696 East is completely shut down, which has got to be a nightmare. So probably make a good drone video. Get a good spot. Coming up to Royal Oak. Over here. Exit. Yeah, look at that side over there. Surprised they shut the whole direction, that one whole side down. Usually they'll go down to maybe 2 lanes and maybe do half of the road there at a time. I don't know. Never seen a whole expressway shut down for one direction. City limit. Brought to you by Chevrolet. My trusty Chevrolet. $126,300 miles on this. This is still running strong. I guess let's turn on ChatGPT and see what they got to say about this project. Chatty Chat, they've always got a lot to say. Coolidge Highway underpass. Hey ChatGPT, I am on 696 in Oak Park, and can you tell me about the construction project they have going here? The eastbound side is completely shut down for construction. Greenfield Road.
It looks like the eastbound side of I-69 in Oak Park is shut down for reconstruction. They're also planning to demolish the Church Street Plaza Bridge as part.
It's 696. I-696.
Got it. The I-69 reconstruction project in Oak Park is focusing on rebuilding the eastbound lanes. The closure is part of a larger effort.
Interstate 696. 696 there.
Yes, I-69.
What?
The construction on the eastbound side is...
All right, you are off there. I-69 is in the middle of the state. I'm on
my mistake.
Yeah. Come on, get it together.
I appreciate the correction. Thanks for catching that. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
So what's the construction project for 696 going through Oakland County?
The I-69 construction project in Oakland County is a major overhaul. They're reconstructing both eastbound and westbound lanes and repairing around 60 bridges. The eastbound lanes are closed for reconstruction, while the westbound lanes will remain open. The project is expected to take about 2 years.
All right, we'll just go with the I-69, I guess, since you're going to keep saying that. Well, even though it's 690, I-696. See, now you got me saying it.
My bad. I definitely... Thanks for the good humor. I'll keep it straight from here on out.
Well, hey, you got to have some humor when you're stuck in a traffic jam, you know?
Absolutely. A little laughter makes the gridlock a bit more bearable.
Hey, do you have any traffic jam jokes?
Sure. How about this one? Why did the scarecrow get stuck in traffic? Because he was outstanding in his field and couldn't move.
Do you have a funny joke about traffic jams?
Of course. Here's one. Why did the traffic light turn red? You'd turn red too if you had to change in front of all those cars.
All right, it's not bad.
Glad you liked it. If you need more chuckles to get through the traffic, just let me know.
Why not? You know, nothing else to do here but get a good laugh.
All right, here's another one. Why did the car apply for a job? It wanted to move up in the traffic jam and get that bumper promotion.
Yeah, not too funny.
Happy to deliver some laughs. Let me know if you want more jokes or anything else while you're waiting it out.
But I didn't laugh. You make me, you do entertain me though. So anyway, back to this construction project on here, 696 from I-94 to I-96 here, and I'm in, coming up to Southfield Road.
The Restore the Reuther project on I is a major reconstruction effort. Starting in early March 2025, the eastbound lanes between Lahser Road and I-75 are being completely rebuilt, and the project is expected to last through 2027. Westbound lanes will remain open during this time.
What are the detours people are taking if they're going eastbound? Because this is, you know, this gets a lot of traffic here on eastbound lanes.
For the eastbound closure on I-69, the main detour routes include using 8 Mile Road or 12 Mile Road to navigate around the closure. Traffic is being rerouted to I-75 and then connecting to I-94 to continue east. Local traffic is encouraged to use surface streets and follow posted detour signs to navigate around the construction zone.
I couldn't imagine going down 12 Mile and how long that would take.
Yeah, it can definitely add some extra time, especially during rush hour. Hopefully the improvements will be worth the hassle once everything's done.
I mean, is it ever finished? Once they get this done, then they start on another construction. Actually, these orange cones here, that's the state flower for Michigan because they come up every spring. Right there, state flowers.
Absolutely.
You like that
Those
one,
orange
huh?
I did. It's a perfect way to sum up Michigan's never-ending roadwork season.
Hey, maybe I use that for my thumbnail there.
That would make a great thumbnail. It's catchy and relatable.
Okay, so anyway, I'm coming up to Evergreen Road.
All right, just keep an eye out for those detour signs and traffic updates.
Alrighty, Chatty
Hopefully-
Chat. I'm going to call you Chatty Chat now.
I like it. Chatty Chat at your service.
You're very chatty. You remind me of an old girlfriend I used to have that would always talk way too much.
Haha, well, I'm here to keep you company and make the drive a bit more entertaining.
I should switch it to a woman's voice, actually. Because it would remind me of...
Sure thing.
It remind me of Talkative Tammy, I used to call her. Anyway, I hope she's not watching it.
Haha, well, if she is, hopefully she'd get a good laugh out of it too.
Yeah, but she's probably talking too while she's watching. I'm sure. 100% sure.
Haha, some habits never change. Keeps things interesting, right?
I mean, you couldn't even watch a movie without her talking through the movie, and it would just be so annoying. But anyways...
All good.
It's crazy. I'm having a conversation with AI. But I like you, Chatty Chat. You talk too much, but I'm starting to get used to it and just have some fun with it.
I'm glad you're enjoying it. We can keep it light and fun while you're on the road.
Alrighty. Okay, I'm coming up to, where is this? Telegraph.
Got it. You're nearing Telegraph Road. Traffic might shift a bit there, but hopefully it stays smooth.
It's picking up more. Not as backed up.
Glad to hear it. Looks like you're getting through the worst of the backup.
I mean, if you look at the size of this project in distance and miles, this is bigger than the Gordie Howe International Bridge project, really.
Yeah, it definitely covers a longer stretch. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is a huge engineering feat, but this I-69 project impacts a ton of daily commuters over a big area.
Out of the construction zone, back to 70 mile an hour speed limit. So there you have it, the 696 construction update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
That was a great sign-off. Glad I could help with the update. Safe travels, and I'll catch you next time.